Hello and welcome to our first lesson, Wonders of the Living World. Part 1, Characteristics of Organisms. The environment. The environment is our surrounding, including us. It consists of land, water bodies, houses, plants, animals, and many other things. In our world, there are different environments. Different environments consist of different components. Let's identify the nature of the components of the environment. Some components increase in size, height, or amount. This is called growth. Components with the growth are called living things or living organisms. Some components doesn't have a growth. The components without a growth are called non-living things. Living organisms can be divided into three main groups. They are plants, animals, and microorganisms. Plants. Animals. Microorganisms. The organisms that cannot be observed with the naked eye are called microorganisms. The compound microscope is used to observe the things that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Characteristics of organisms. Growth. Increase in size, height, or amount is called growth. Growth is a common feature of organisms. Nutrition. All organisms, including humans, need food for survival. Satisfying the food requirements of organisms is called nutrition. Most green plants produce food within themselves. Hence, these plants are called autotrophic. They use carbon dioxide from the air, soil, water, and sunlight to produce food. This process is called photosynthesis. Animals can't produce their own food. They depend on plants directly or indirectly. Therefore, animals are considered as heterotrophic. Animals such as deer, cows, take plants as food. They depend on plants directly. But animals such as tiger, lion take flesh as food, so they depend on plants indirectly. Movements. Showing different movements is a common feature of living organisms. Apart from movements, some animals can move from place to place. Animals moving from one place to another place is called locomotion. There are special appendages for animals for locomotion. There are different ways of locomotion. There are some animals that cannot move, but they show different movements. Sea anemone, coral polyp living in oceans are such animals. When mimosa plant is touched, the leaves of the mimosa plant shows a sleeping movement. Also, Albizia, Sesbania, tamarind leaves show sleeping movements in the evening. These are some examples of movements of plants. Respiration. Oxygen in the air once breathed in reacts with the food stored in the body and produces energy. This process is called respiration. In the process of respiration, oxygen is used and carbon dioxide is released. Reproduction. It is obvious that every organism dies one day or the other. So, for the continuation of the living world, it is essential to have new generations. A mature living being producing new members of the same species is known as reproduction. Reproduction is essential for the existence of living organisms. It's common for all organisms. Reproduction does not occur in non living things. Thanks for watching.